Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. Today we're going to show you our 87 Chevy K10. It's a truck that come out of Billings, Montana. Fuel injected square body, the only year of the of fuel injected square bodies. Paint's just average driver color. You got a little orange peel and a little debris in it, but a good looking truck. I don't want to downgrade it too hard, but probably if you did a wet sand buff, probably be kind of a good borderline show quality because it's nice and straight. It isn't rusty. It's had new trim put on it. Original mirrors, I'd say. You know, when they painted it, they did it the right way. They took all the weather strip out or put new the way this looks, so that's a good thing. Seats probably been recovered. Dash. Yeah, dash is a dash. I don't believe it's cover lay. Everybody's using cover lays now. 88 926. I'm sure that's 188. Got a aftermarket new style stereo in it. Air blows cold. This is a Silverado. Nice tight cab. The door is shut really firm. So good looking truck with the blue and silver two-tone. Spray and bed liner in it. So nice driver quality square body. Like here you can maybe see just some of the debris. The tailgate's probably the worst. Got a few fish eyes in it and debris. Bumper's in good shape. They put a few screws in this aftermarket trim because it doesn't stick on them curved sections. So like I said, mechanically, we just put a new steering gear in it and did a little wiring on the transmission. So, nice old truck, and like I said, them doors are really firm. So, if you're looking for a square body, 8-foot box, 4-wheel drive that's fuel injected, 87s were it. We're going to start up our 87 Chevy K10. Technically in 87 they were called R10s because they were fuel injected and they changed them. Air's blowing cold, blinker working, horn works, your wipers. Just crank windows on this one. Does have the aftermarket stereo, so that works. Dome light works. All your gauges, fuel gauges working there. You can see your bright light indicator, your oil pressure gauge there, and your amp gauge. Has fuel injected 350 in it. Runs good. There's your headlights. Marker lights. We're out driving our 87 Chevy K10. Going down the road about 60. See a little over a quarter tank of fuel. Temperature coming up. All the gauges seem to be working. Clock doesn't. Air blowing cold. You can hear the radio in the background. Goes down the road pretty good for an old square body. Clunks or bangs. They're pretty tight cab. Just a little bit of play in the steering wheel, which for a 40-year-old truck, nothing out of the ordinary. It just cruises right down the road at 60 miles an hour. Truck come out of Montana, so pretty dry, clean old truck. It's had a repaint, just average, a little above average, I'd call it. Just nice driver quality. So if you're looking for a pretty good old square body fuel injected, this was the only year. 87 was it. This one's pretty much all stock.